trends today. The market lifted up again today.
Yeah, market closed positive today because we're beginning to see speculators come take advantage of that slide that we had for over 10 trading sessions. We've had people sell down on their stocks for liquidity purpose. Of course, it's election period in Nigeria, and then we'll see a lot of trading of a lot of short selling too, in order to raise liquidity for that purpose. Investors, those who want to go long, are also taking advantage of this. And then let's not forget that banks and other institutions have not published some of their financial statements yet for some regulatory reasons. But we see an upturn in the stock market.
Okay, talk to us about the performance on the fixed income side. I mean, we do know that there's been a lot of interest in Nigerian bonds, particularly near the end of 2010.
Okay, fixed income. We've seen a lot of interest, especially on the short end of the market. That's treasury bills that, whose tenures do not elongate or last more than 1 year. We've seen a lot of action on trade on treasury bills whose that would mature in the next 25 to 39 days because of the CRR adjustments that have been made in the country. What we had on Wednesday was that the CBN crashed CRR deposits being held with it into banks, D24 and RTGS accounts. And this money, we can see banks and other financial institutions, we've seen them starting to take position on short end of the T-bills market. The bonds market, that's the long end of the fixed income securities market, has not been very active, especially on the long term. We've seen rising yield that's slumping price because yields on the short end of the market are not very far from what we have on this long end of the market.
Okay.
And then it will take figures like inflation and then interest rates to come out for this month before we see major changes and volatility again on that long end of that market.